What's behind the black bee honey? Very pure, it's one of the rarest honeys, sourced from only a few colonies in untamed territories, such as Wisont Island, Norway Forest, and Connemara. What's behind its potent alchemy? For 1 kilogram of honey, the black bees work 10,000 hours, pollinating 10 million flowers and fly a distance equivalent to a world tour, an alchemic work that science can hardly replicate. What's behind its unique chemistry? Because of the unique combination of flowers that the black bee can pollinate, its honey has a highly rich and complex phytochemical fingerprint with more than 100 identified compounds. What's behind its benefits for skin? The complexity of this black bee honey fuels skin's natural self-repair mechanisms, such as skin renewal, collagen production, and hyaluronic acid replenishment. Its powerful properties are contained in every drop of Abeille Royale Youth Watery Oil Serum. Black bee honey is behind it all.